Hi and welcome back to Lockpicker 69. In the vise today I've got a little Abus cable padlock. That's the bit on the key. Nothing spectacular, does work. And a massive apology to all my subscribers due to lack of content. I'm actually quite busy at work at the moment, and when I do actually get some time, when I'm off, I get continually interrupted, so finding it very difficult to actually get any sort of videos done. And I'm also so far behind with watching and commenting on videos, which I'm sorry for as well. And I did receive 4 challenge locks from XB Mods the other day, which were pinned by Harry Bow. And due to lack of time, I managed to get 2 open. And there we have it. Nothing spectacular. I managed to get 2 open before I sent them on, which I'm a bit gutted about, but obviously due to time restraints and other people wanting them, I thought I'd just send them on, and you never know, they'll probably come back to me at some point in time. That was easily picked. Obviously it's a wafer lock. See if we can open it with a bow guitar. Yeah, got the open with the bow guitar. Let's try a city rake. Not really a raker. Prefer SPP in. Yeah, opens with obviously a city, and we'll try the back of the rake as well. See if we can get the open on that. Yep, open with the back of the rake. All in all, piece of shit. Right, hopefully I'll be back soon with an actual proper picking video of something worth picking. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon.